Hello friends. In previous lecture we discussed about conversion of fixed base into chain base and chain base index into fixed base index. Today we will learn very important example, Laspeyre's, Paashe's and Fisher's index, and this example having weightage 5 marks, and this example is very important for the board examination. Find the Laspeyre's, Paashe's and Fisher's index number for the year 2015 with the base year 2014. So we have 2 years, 2014 and year 2015. So 2014 year comes first. So this is our base year, and 2015, that is our current year. Now, price is given. So price means first letter of price, that is P, and 2014, that is our base year, so it is denoted by P0. Quantity means Q, and 14 is a base year, so Q0. Year 2015, so current year price is denoted by P1, and current year quantity is denoted by Q1. Now our first column, P1 Q0. P1 into Q0, 30 into 4 become 120. 20 into 3 becomes 60, and 10 into 2 become 20. So sigma P1 Q0 is 200. Then second column is P0 Q0. 3 into 4 become 12. 40 into 3, that is 120. 30 into 2, 60. Sigma P0 Q0 become 192. Then P1 Q1. P1 multiplied by Q1, 30 into 6, 180. 20 into 3, 60. 10 into 5, 50. So sigma P1 Q1, that is 290. And last column, P0 Q1. This is P0 and Q1. 3 into 6 become 18. 40 into 3 become 120. And 30 into 5 become 150. Sigma P0 Q1 is become 288. Now first we will find Laspeyre's index. It is denoted by IL. IL is equal to sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. P1 Q0 is 200. P0 Q0 is 192 into 100. So 200 upon 192 into 100 become 104.70. So IL. Now IP means Paashe's index. Sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. 290 upon 288 into 100, so 100.69, and Fisher's index IF is equal to under root IL into IB. IL is equal to 104.17. IB is equal to 100.69. Now, after making root, so answer is 102.42. 102.40. So, in this example, Laspeyre, Paashe and Fisher's index is required. Year 2014, year 2015. 2014 year comes first. So, this is our base year. Base year price is denoted by P0. Base year quantity is denoted by Q0. Year 2015, that is our current year. Current year price, first letter of price is P and current year is P1. Quantity is Q and current year 1. After, we have to make it 4 column, P1 Q0. So P1 into Q0, P0 Q0, P0 into Q0, P1 Q1. So P1 into Q1 and P0 into Q1, P0 into Q1. Then IL is equal to sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. So P1 Q0 upon P0 Q0 into 100. So IL is equal to 104.70. So after find the index of Laspeyre, we can say that increase in the prices of 2015 compared to the year 2014 as a base year, 104.70 minus 100, so 4.70% increase compared to the base year. IB sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100, so 100.69. Here we can say that increase in the prices of the year 2015, 100.69 minus 100 becomes 0.69% compared to the base year 2014. Fisher's index IL into IB, IL into IB, and after making root, the final value of Fisher's index is 102.42. And here we can say that in the year 2015, increase in the prices 100.2.42 minus 100 become 2.42 compared to the base year 2014. In our next example, we will take some unique example. Whenever unit is given, at that time we have to find Laspeyre's, Paashe's and Fisher's index. In this example, different type of unit is given and quantity is also given in different time. Here, find the Laspeyre's, Paashe's and Fisher's index number for the year 2015 with the base year 2014. Item A, B, C, D, unit 20 kg means this price of 2014 and 15 is given for 20 kg. B, unit is given in 1 kg. C. Unit is given in quintal. Quintal means 100 kilograms. And D. Dozen. Dozen means 12 pieces. Whenever unit is given in any example, at that time first we make calculation for the each item price. Now, firstly, item is given. A, B, C and D. Price 2014 and 2015. 2014 years comes first. So this is our base year. And first letter of price is P. And 14 is our base year. So it is denoted by P0. This is also price. But this price for 2015, that is our current year. First letter of price is P and current year price is denoted by P1. This is quantity. So first letter of quantity, that is Q, and 2014, that is our base year. So it is denoted by Q0. This is also quantity for 2015, that is our current year, and current year quantity is denoted by Q1. Now here, unit is given 20 kg, so 20 kg's price is 80. So we have to find 1 kg price. If 20 kg price is 80, 1 kg price becomes 80 divided by 20. So 4 per kg. For 20 kg, price is 120. So 1 kg price become 120 upon 20 become 6. Now here we find 1 kg price, and our quantity is also given in kilogram, in kg. So 5 kg and 7 kg. So quantity is in kg, and here we find 1 kg price. Now look here B. Unit is given 1 kg. So 1 kg price is already given. So we can take 1 kg price 20 and 24. In item A 20 kg price is given. At that time we find 1 kg price. While in item B 1 kg price is given already. So 20 and 24. But difference is given in quantity, that is given in gram. Here unit is kg, so you have value of 1 kg price, so your quantity must be in kilogram. And we all know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So now this gram converted into kilogram. So whenever gram converted into kilogram, 2500 gram, and 1 kg become 1000 gram. So divided by 1000, so 2.5 kg. Here 4000 gram is given, and our unit is given in kilogram. So this gram is also converted into kilogram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 4000 gram divided by 1000, that is 4 kg. In item C, unit is given in quintal. Quintal means 100 kilogram. So here 100 kg price is given 200. So 1 kg price, so 200 upon 100, that is 2. So quintal means 100 kg. 100 kg price 300. So 1 kg price become 300 upon 3 upon 100 become 3. And here quantity is already given in kilogram, 10 and 15. While in item B, unit is given in dozen and dozen having 12 pieces, and here quantity is given in pieces. So here we will find 1 piece price, dozen having 12 piece. 12 piece price is 48. 1 piece price become 48 divided by 12, that is 4. Here price of 2015 72. Unit is given in dozen. Dozen having 12 pieces. 12 pieces price 72. So 1 piece price 72 divided by 12, that is 6. And your quantity is already given in pieces, 10 and 20. Now first column, that is P1 Q0. P1 into Q0 6, 5 is 13. 24 into 2.5 becomes 60. 3 into 10 becomes 30. 6 10 is 60. So P1 Q0 become 180. Now P0 Q0. P0 into Q0 4, 5 is 20. 20 multiplied by 2.5 become 15. 2 into 10 become 20. And 4 into 10 become 40. Sigma P0 Q0 become 130. P1 Q1. P1 into Q1 6, 7 is 42. 24 into 4 become 96. 3 into 15. 3 into 15 become 45. And 6 into 20 become 120. So sigma P1 Q1 301. So P1 Q1 6 7 42, 96, 45 and 120. 303. And last column P0 Q1. P0 into Q1, 4 into 7, 28. 20 into 4, 80. 2 into 15, 30. 4 into 20 become 80. Sigma P0 Q1, that is 280. Then we will apply the formula Laspeyre's index IL. Sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. So 180 upon 130 into 100. So IL is equal to 138.146. Now IP sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. 303 upon 218 into 100. So IP 303 upon 218 into 100 become 138.99. Now Fisher's index IF under root IL into IP. IL is equal to 138.46 into 138.99. So after making root, so answer is 138.72. 138.70. So again I repeat, this is very important example for you. In this example, unit is given, and whenever unit is given, at that time quantity and price unit become identical, it means equal. Here 20 kg price is 80, so 1 kg price 80 divided by 20 become 4. 20 kg price 120, so 1 kg price is become 6, and quantity is given in kilogram, so 5 kg and 7 kg. In item B, unit is given in 1 kg, so your price is 1 kg is already given, 20 and 24. But the difference here, quantity is given in gram, mind well. Unit is given kg, so price 1 kg given, but quantity is given in gram. So we convert gram into kilogram, and we all know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 2005 gram converted into kilogram. So 2500 divided by 1000 become 2.5, and 4000 gram divided by 1000 become 4 kg. Here 4 kg. In item C, quintal is given. Quintal is equal to 100 kilogram. So 100 kilogram price is 200. 1 kg price become 200 upon 100 become 2. 100 kg price is 300. So 1 kg price 300 upon 100 become 3. Your quantity is given in kg, 10 kg, 15 kg. In item D, unit is given in dozen and quantity is given in pieces. So dozen means 12 pieces. 12 pieces price 48. So 1 piece price 48 divided by 12 become 4. 12 pieces price 72. So 1 piece price 72 divided by 12 becomes 6. And your quantity is already given in pieces. Then same column, P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1 and P0 Q1. P1 into Q0, P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P0 into Q0, P1 Q1, P1 into Q1, P0 Q1, P0 into Q1. Laspeyre's index, sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. So 138.46. So here we can say that increase in the price in the year 2015, 138.46 minus 100 become 38.46 compared to the base year 2014. Here Paashe's index, sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. So 138.99. Here we can say that increase in the prices in 2015, 138.99 minus 100 become 38.99 compared to the base year. Fisher's index under root IN into IP. So our answer is 138.72. Here we can say that increase in the prices in the year 2015, 138.72 minus 100 become 38.72% compared to the base year 2014. So today we discussed a very important example. This example having weighted 5 marks in board examination. In our next lecture, we will discuss about whenever total expenditure is given and price or quantity is missing in this example. At that time, we will find Laspeyre's, Paashe's and Fisher's index. Thank you very much.